Hello everyone, this is Brendan from LemTask. What this video is for: people curious about twos, also people who want a simple daily system without overthinking. What we will cover step by step. What twos is it actually designed for? Twos is a lightweight thinking space. It is designed for quick capture, notes, and tasks living together. Therefore, a daily reset mentality. What twos is not designed for: deep project planning, complex workflows, heavy prioritization systems. So, what is the key mindset? The key mindset is that this is where thoughts go first. We are going to add a few notes. Here we have the main screen, and I'm simply going to click there and say any random thought, any idea, or any reminder. There is no pressure to organize. Notes don't need labels or structure. This capture feels pretty fast. And that is exactly why this reduces friction. So let's turn a note into a task. I will take this reminder. I will take my mouse there. I click there, and that becomes a task, which I can simply, by clicking there, recognizes I've completed that task. So you will also notice that tasks sit alongside notes. So everything stays visible. There's no jumping between views. That reinforces simplicity over control. So a typical day of twos would be opening up the main day and seeing we have in the morning some tasks to do. I'm going to respond to Sarah. I'm going to record my videos done. And I can even turn this note into a task. So you're not managing a system. You are just responding to today. Why this works well for low stress days. It's a lightweight appeal, and that's why people love twos. There's almost no learning curve. There's no setup required, and it's quite forgiving. For example, if I tick the wrong note or task, I can click and it goes back. So twos is best for early stage builders, for creatives, or for people burned out by complex tools. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. So here we have the main dashboard of LemTask. You will see as you scroll down from your dashboard, there's all sorts of encouraging messages to keep your morale up, but still the primary focus is a task-first structure. There's a clear separation between tasks and thinking. So, twos, capture first. LemTask, execute first. That's the short and factual summary. Twos works when you want zero friction. It breaks when structure starts to matter. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below. Thank you.